Looking for a perfect wall mount for your TV? It's important to consider maximum weight, quality, and safety, besides features and size. Some brands claim to support a higher maximum weight than Vogel's. The maximum weight stated for a Vogel's product incorporates a healthy safety margin. At Vogel's, we perform overload testing, burdening the mount with as much as 3 times the maximum weight indicated. So a mount for a 20-kilogram TV can safely support up to 60 kilograms. This serious overload testing earns all of our products the TÜV Nord certification, an independent guarantee that you are buying a safe wall mount. Our wall mounts don't just look well-engineered, they are. Top quality bearings ensure that a Vogel's mount turns and swivels smoothly, while some other brands use plastic bearings, or even none at all. Our bearings are made from high-quality, oil-impregnated sintered steel. They give our products unsurpassed durability, making them future-proof for you. We subject our products to endurance testing, simulating 10 years of intensive use. This is why we can confidently claim a Vogel's mount will hang level and move smoothly year after year. Choose the certainty of the best solution. Vogel's, for sure.